Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anuradha Shaha from Just Try, and today here we are going to discuss about various accounting terms. We will be having a series of lectures which will be discussing about various accounting terms. Now, this is the first video on accounting terms. Today, in the first video, we are going to discuss about assets and liabilities. So that will be our topic. So let's go on. So let us start the discussion about what are assets and what are liabilities. So first, let us concentrate on what is asset. An asset is a resource or good used to generate cash flows, reduce expenses, or provide future economic benefits for any individual, government, or business. Asset contains economic value and can benefit a business operations or a company's operations, increase the value of a business, and raise an individual's net worth. Assets are a representation of things that are owned by a company and produce revenues. An asset is a resource with economic value that an individual, a corporation, or a country owns and controls with the expectation that it will provide us a future benefit. Assets are reported on a company's balance sheet. They are bought or created to increase the firm's value or benefits the firm's operations. An asset is something that may generate cash flows, reduce expenses, or improve sales, regardless of whether it's manufacturing equipment or a patent. Assets are usually classified as current asset, fixed asset, financial asset, tangible or intangible assets, and wasting assets. Now, individual video I will be making on all these types of or classifications of assets. So please stay tuned and subscribe the channel Just Try for more videos on finance and accounts. Examples of assets, if we have to talk about personal assets, then we can say jewelry, art, cash, household furnishings, vehicles, bonds, real estate, pensions, stock, retirement plans, money market accounts, savings account, treasury bills, any property, life insurance policy. These are the assets. And if we have to talk about company assets, then we can say cash, marketable securities, accounts receivable, inventory, bank accounts, raw materials, land and property, machinery or office furniture, human capital or labor, brand name, patent, trademark, copyrights, domain names, intellectual property, and goodwill. Now, let us talk about what are liabilities. Liabilities are financial obligations to outside parties. The most common type of corporate or small business liability is monetary debt, which is largely grouped under accounts payable on a cash flow statement. Liabilities are a representation of accounts owned to other parties. The liability includes the proprietor's capital also. A liability, generally speaking, is something that is owned to somebody else. Liability is also a legal or a regulatory risk or obligation. In accounting, usually companies book liability in opposition to assets. Current liabilities are a company's short-term or financial obligation that are due within 1 year or a normal operating cycle, and long-term liabilities are obligations listed to the company's balance sheet. Few examples of liability are accounts payable, principal or interest on bank loan, salaries or wages payable in the next year, notes payable that is due within 1 year, income tax payable, mortgages payable, principal and interest payment due more than a year, bonds, debentures, long-term loans, deferred tax liability, mortgage, equipment, or capital payment that aren't due for more than a year. If you have heard it properly, then you have understood what is assets and what is liability. So please keep watching the channel. Please subscribe the channel so that you can get details about the other accounting terms also. We will be making one after the other videos on the accounting terms that are there, which is very important to know if you have to start the topics of accountancy. So thank you. Bye bye. Like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.